Hi all, I made a quick video to show you how to use Zotero and why it is so wonderful. So I'm going to walk you through step by step real quick. So step one is to go to the Zotero website that I showed you on Saturday and download both the Zotero app, which you can see I have open here, and the Zotero web clipper. While the web clipper isn't necessary to use this, it makes it so much easier. Also, I have found in my personal experience, the Zotero web clipper works best in Google Chrome. So if you don't have Chrome, you might want to think about downloading it to use it. It's kind of hokey with Safari, and I haven't used it on a Windows machine. So, anyways, if you don't have Google Chrome, go get that too. Download it and put the Zotero web clipper app on there. Okay, so anyways, once you have everything downloaded, both the app and the web clipper, step two is to open the Zotero app. So again, you can see it here. This is mine. Yours, when you first download it, obviously, will be empty, and mine, as you can see here, has quite a bit of stuff in it already. But anyways, you'll just have my library here. If you want, you can create different subfolders for different classes to keep your stuff organized. You can see here are some of my old classes. And then here are some, research topics I've done in other areas. Anyways, you can organize it however you like, and you can keep your articles organized that way. So so you have it downloaded, you have the app open, and now it's time to search for an article. So I pulled up Google Scholar and I found an article that I want. This article here. So what you do is you click and you open it. Here we go. And I read the abstract and I say, great, I want this to, use this in my paper. So I'm going to clip it. I have gotten in the habit of clipping anything that looks like it might be interesting just because it's so much easier to find it later. I'd recommend that you do the same. But anyways, you got the article, you're ready to clip it. So you go up here. This is my little Zotero icon. If you hover over it, you can see it says Save to Zotero, which is great. So you click on it. Down here, you can see Saving to Haiti Research, because that happens to be the folder I've opened. It grabbed it. Didn't grab the full text PDF. Full disclosure, I'm not on campus. That's probably why I didn't grab it. But if the full PDF is available, it will grab that, snap it, and save it with your citation. I can't tell you how helpful this is. It's incredible. So anyways, you come back over here to your Zotero app, and you can see here is my article. It showed up right here. So again, the Zotero web clipper got what type of item it is, which is important for your reference list. It got the title, all of the authors, the abstract, publication. It got all the information that I need, which is fantastic. Now, I recommend whenever you clip an article, just click over here real quick and check to make sure it went in. I'd say 95% of the time, Zotero grabs all of this information that you need. But maybe like 5% of the time, just because the web page is formatted funny, it's not able to grab the data. So then you have to go in and put it in manually yourself. But fortunately, because Zotero has all the fields, it's pretty quick and easy to do. So again, Zotero, so worth it. And I'll show you why it's worth it right now. So, okay, I have my article, I have it clipped, it's in my database, and now I want to use it. I want to cite it in a paper. So what I do is you select it and you right click, and this little drop down will come down. You want to go down to create bibliography item from, or create bibliography from item. Click on that. And so first thing is citation style. We, as you can see, are using APA 6th edition, so select that. For output mode, you can either do citation or bibliography. We'll do citation first. And then you have output method. I always do copy to clipboard, and you'll see why in a second. So I say, okay. So then I come over to my Word document here, my lovely lorem ipsum, as you can see. And I will put this right here on the second sentence. So space, because again, remember it goes right, the period goes after your citation, right? You go to edit, and I'm going to say paste. Boom. There is your citation. You don't have to do anything. It automatically goes in. It's great. Formatted and everything. Now, the one thing I will point out, if you remember back to class on Saturday, anytime you have 1 or 2 authors is going to work every time. But just remember, when you have 3 or more, you list all 3 authors the first time. But every subsequent time after that, you would do the first author et al. And then the date. Keep that in mind, because Zotero's not smart enough to pick up on that. So you would have to physically go in and do that. But either way, say I wanted to cite them again down here. All I do is I take out Ostrada and Woolman and do et al. Bam, and you're done. So just keep that in mind. Okay, and now say I'm building my reference list. I actually do this one in the same. As soon as I put a citation in my paper, I come up here and I go back to create bibliography item from, and I go to bibliography. And again, you have copy to clipboard, great. You select OK. Come back over here. Let's pretend this is my reference list, right? Copy, paste, boom. It is perfectly formatted, all the information in just the right order with the correct punctuation and the formatting. It couldn't be easier. So this is why Zotero is a lifesaver. If you have any questions about this, I will bring my laptop to class on Wednesday and we can walk through it again. There are also really great YouTube videos out there. That's how I learned to use it at first. So when in doubt, Google. Also, if you have a quick question, you can feel free to shoot me an email and I'll do my best to answer that question. But otherwise, Zotero is the best. Go, download it now. Do it. You won't regret it. I promise. All right. I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye.